Alright guys, here I am once again, the Road Big John, for another review. Today I'm going to make a review of this new pre-workout in the market. It's called Bulldozer XL5000. Alright, I already wrote a review, okay, that I'm going to post here in bulldozer.com. And I'm going to prepare it right now because right now, in a few minutes, I'm going to the gym to train a little bit of legs, alright? To give you good details, about the product, it is a good pre-workout. Why? It gives you a lot of stable energy, stamina. Plus, it don't give you that kind of, of rushing effect. Now, the crazy effect that you need to do something immediately. So that's why this kind of product I particularly recommend it to male and female athletes of all ages. All ages, because as I told you, this is not the kind of product that make you feel crazy, alright? And I know there is people that is a little bit is sensitive with the stimulants, okay? So here we have one scoop. I'm going to put it in water, right? I will tell you, one scoop is totally enough, okay, for this product. I normally use for the other pre-workouts of other brands a scoop and a half, because that's what I need to really feel the product doing the effect. But from these guys from Bulldozer, one scoop is enough, okay? Yes. Okay, here we have the fruit punch flavor, alright? Fruit punch, okay, fruit punch flavor, alright? So here we have it, alright? I'm going to mix it just a little bit, alright? As I was telling you, it's a good product. It mixes really good. In just a few seconds, you already have the product in the water, okay? So you don't need the shaker, you don't need a blender or anything like that. So I already have shaker and that's it, okay? Let me try a little bit. As I told you, this product to give you a lot of stable energy, stamina. Another thing that I noticed in comparison with other pre-workouts is that it stops the pangs of hunger that I have while I'm training. Okay, it makes you feel. It don't make you feel full, but at the same time, don't make you feel those pangs. Okay, okay, yes. If I have to tell you something, be a little bit careful of is about the flavor. You don't know the custom of strong flavor. This product is very strong flavor. It's good, tastes good, but it's strong if in the first time you use it. If you are not accustomed those kind of strong flavors, yes. Let me take another sip. As I told you, you can use it for any kind of uh, physical activity. All right. If you are a swimmer, if you use it for uh, boxing, any kind of physical activity, just for a cardio session, running, walking, lifting weights, anything, okay? You can use it. I recommend you for male, female athletes, all ages, alright? Because there is no stimulant in this product. So here we have very good product from this new company, the guys from Bulldozer, alright? So I'm going to close this review telling you guys that I am going to give it 10 out of 10 to this new pre-workout in the market, Bulldozer. Okay, from Neuro Research Group. Alright, take a look, take a close look, because this product is going to start hitting the market and you're going to see it a little bit, alright? In just a few. Have a nice one, guys, and I hope you like the review, alright? See you.